kind of did this intro and outro kind of all in one take. So hey everyone, my name's Keshonta Shontel. I know a lot of people probably like, how do you pronounce her name? She never introduces herself, but yep, that's how you pronounce my name. So it's Keshonta. So I just want to say what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a vlog. I was trying to do some Christmas shopping for family. So yeah, that's basically, today is my first time ever vlogging, so I wanted to give it a try. It turned out okay, but I think the more and more I do it, it's gonna get better. So yeah, like before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up this video if you enjoy, and we are going to get straight into the video. So good morning everyone. It is, I don't know what day it is, Sunday, but I am vlogging today for the first time. I am going shopping for my family for Christmas. I've not had a chance to really do anything just because I've been working so much. So I'm gonna take you guys with me as I do that. I do look a hot ass mess this morning, but it's okay because I'm still cute though. But I'm gonna start getting ready because it's gonna be a lot of people in the stores today, and I just don't want to be out too long. So I'm gonna get me some coffee, take a shower, do my makeup, get ready, and then we will just kind of go out and about. So one of my friends brought me a Keurig for Christmas, and of course I have it now. But so far, this has been my favorite coffee. It's the caramel cream. It's 100% Arabica beans. Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed with it. And then there's also this one, but of course I haven't tried this one out yet. So if you guys have, for all of my coffee drinkers, if you have any recommendations, let me know, because ever since I got this thing, like you can't tell me nothing. No more Starbucks runs. I make my own coffee at home. But I do get the cups from Starbucks. So if you guys are into cups, this cup actually changes color. And I did get this from Starbucks. It is super cute. So yeah. So you guys can see as the coffee is going in, it is slowly but surely changing color. And I don't know why it's picking up, but I don't know. I don't like super dark coffee. And guys, this is my favorite creamer. When I use this specific creamer, I don't have to sweeten my coffee, which helps me to, of course, save on calories. So I would definitely recommend doing that. Get you a sweet cream coffee, or even this one. This one is going to be limited edition just because it's Christmas. But yeah, you don't have to use sugar. So yeah, all right, got my coffee, gonna get my morning started, take a shower, do my makeup. So I will be back in a second when we get ready to leave the house. So I'll see you guys. All right guys, so the face, ooh, light. So the face is on right now. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to see my fit before I left the house. I am wearing streetwear today, but as you all know, I am, or most of you know, I'm a huge anime fan, so that's like my thing. So right now I've got on my Uchiwa jacket. If I could, I wish I could turn around and you guys can see what it looked like in the back, but whatever. So it's got like just the Naruto print on the back. And then I have my Naruto shirt that I'm wearing. I've got a pair of retro ones that you would have seen in my sneaker collection video. Then I have my Coach shotting gun bag. It's from the Michael B. Jordan Naruto collection. So if you're a huge anime fan, then this, I know you'll love this fit. All right, so I've already gotten a couple of pictures of myself in the outfit, so we're going to head out. So I'm in the car, and I already don't feel like doing this shit today. I just don't feel like being around a bunch of people. I know that it's going to be like these stores are going to be super packed, and I just don't feel like it. Sometimes shopping for people is just like super duper hard because you just don't know what to get them. Like people, their style and stuff change over time. Like before anybody knows, like I love makeup and stuff, so that's like a go-to. You can get me a gift card from like Sephora, Ulta, and I'll be happy. Or you can get me like anything anime related, but I'm also not a picky person, and I'm not ungrateful or materialistic, so I think just about anything is good enough for me. Also, my sister said she would meet me for lunch today, so we'll see. All right, so I am getting ready to walk into the Harbison Mall. I live in Columbia, South Carolina, so it's not a whole lot of options. The traffic was a bitch trying to get here, so we are getting ready to walk into the mall. Parking was a pain in the ass, so I ended up having to park kind of far, but I just didn't feel like fighting anybody over parking, so we'll probably go into Forever 21 first and just kind of see if I could find anything. So right now, all of their jackets and outerwear is half off. So this is turning out to be a bust because Forever 21 looks so empty. Like, now this is super cute and it's only $12, but I don't know. So that was definitely a bust. I couldn't do it. It was too many people piled up in the mall, and even though mostly everyone had their mask on, I still was just like, nah, it's too many people. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and some other stores and see what I can find, and you know, I don't know, maybe I need to get something to eat because I think I'm super irritable because I haven't eaten anything and it's 2:18 in the afternoon. All I had was that coffee that you guys saw me drink, so maybe I'll find something to eat and then try again. It is Sunday, so I'm pressed for time because everything closes early. So far, the only thing that I have found is some coffee for myself. I feel like the majority of this vlog, I have been in my vehicle talking to you guys, and now I am pretty much gonna head to TJ Maxx. I'm gonna let that be my last stop because I'm just like over today. I'll probably do some online shopping and it just is what it is. But I was able to get my niece's stuff done, so you know. So after I leave TJ Maxx, I'm going to get something to eat because I can't do it. Okay, so I'm in here and I'm looking at this bag, but y'all tell me what is that and why would anybody want that? All right, so I was able to get all of my holiday shopping done. It was definitely, I don't know, this was probably a bust of a vlog, but it was my first one. I was gonna vlog inside of the restaurant that I was gonna eat at, but it was just way too many people in Harbison, so I just decided to go to Zaxby's. That's always my go-to. I'm gonna go home, watch anime, and just basically call it a night. So I made it home, but I wanted to show you guys this jacket that I picked up. Of course, I went Christmas shopping for everyone else. So I went Christmas shopping, of course, for everyone else, but I did pick up this jacket from Old Navy. It was only $36, and I just thought it was super cute. It's a little big, but of course with me, I can wear sweats and hoodies with it, and so I just thought it was like super cute. So if you have a local Old Navy and you see this jacket, they had 70% off their whole entire store. So you really couldn't beat that. They had so much cute and fun stuff. But yeah, I picked this up, and so that is basically it. Okay, for the last and final time, I'm finally gonna sit down and eat something, watch some anime. Today has been a super long day. A lot of unnecessary things occurred. Like this lady almost hit me with her car, and I just had to let it go because it was just way too many people out and about, and that's to be expected because people are doing last minute Christmas shopping. So yeah, it was just a really long day, but I'm just going to call it a night. Thank you guys as always for rocking out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all the new subscribers that I just got recently. Hey, but that is it. I'm going to call it a night. I'll see you guys in my next video.